Life in Korea can get kind of lonely sometimes, which is why putting yourself out there is so important. In this vlog, I'll show you how I make new friends and also how I spend time alone with myself, because doing me time is just as important and rewarding. Okay, today I am off to a casino. Basically, my agency was like, you want to go to this like event thing? And I was like, why not? I love to socialize. And every time I go to like these like networking things, I end up meeting so many cool people, to the point where I actually double booked myself today. So I want to meet as many people as I can. And that's the thing that I really like try and tell people, like, you have to put yourself out there. So I have a, I guess, casino opening, and then afterwards I'm going to the Basil Event. They're like this social media marketing agency, and they just want to like mingle and meet new people as well. So even though I don't really care about gambling, I decided to go to this casino opening just because I thought I can meet some new people. And the girl that is filming this right now, I ended up being friends with her. It was a really nice time meeting new people and learning that I'm actually really bad at gambling. But then I quickly had to jump into a taxi for the Basil event. And basically the event was meant for a bunch of creators here based in Seoul to meet each other and to network. And I met so many nice people. I also met a bunch of people that I already knew, and it was so nice to catch up with them. But I'll be completely transparent, guys. When I first walked into the event, was so scared and nervous that I wouldn't be talking to anyone, but everyone was so nice. And afterwards, we went to Korean barbecue and talked and laughed some more. Going to... So this is my friend Zoe, and we actually met on TikTok. She's also a creator and she's currently visiting Korea. So I was like, let's hang out, and we literally spoke for hours. I'm so glad that we met in real life. Sometimes all you gotta do is reach out to people online and you'll become friends. I had a teeny tiny nap, but before I came home, I actually went and bought this vase. And I was walking around Daiso, which is just like, I don't know, the dollar store here. And I was like, ew, something smells really gross. Like, it smells poopy. And like the smell kept on following me. And then I lean over, because I'm holding my flowers like this. I lean over and I'm like, smell, it's the flowers. The flowers smell so bad. But I have to commit to it because I bought them. Cute. Too bad you guys smell so bad. Okay, I'm gonna show you two things that you don't usually see on my social media. Me with my short hair, and also my super gross, disgusting apartment. So I have a cleaner coming in about 2 hours, and during that time I'm actually going to Juno Hair. It's one of the most famous hair places in Korea, to do a scalp treatment. So I was like, let me just go out without my extensions. And I don't know about you, but I feel like my hair's come a long way. I remember when it was literally like up here and wispy. So it's still not a lot. Also, by the way, I didn't straighten my hair. This is blow dried, and I'm actually blown away at how like smooth and silky the hair is. I'm gonna show you, maybe in this video actually, my like hair routine, because yeah, let's go to Myeongdong and get my hair done. I currently love flower scented perfumes. It's my go-to at the moment. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for me for any fragrances I should try. So we are at Juno Hair for my scalp appointment. And even though I washed my hair yesterday, it had a lot of buildup and some oil buildup as well. So I'll be undergoing the 10-step head spa treatment, and I'm so excited. First, I sat down into this steamer to get my scalp ready. Next, they exfoliated my scalp to get rid of all that buildup on there, and every single step was so relaxing. Like, I wanted to fall asleep. So if you're ever in Seoul and you don't really have any plans, you don't really know what to do, definitely get a scalp treatment done. It's a great way to just pamper yourself. It's a solo activity I like doing by myself. They also dry and straighten your hair, and this is what my scalp looked like after. Absolutely no buildup and completely clean. So thank you again to Juno Hair for saving my scalp. I usually never hang out in this area, so I decided to explore a little bit. And as you can see, the streets are a little bit more traditional because this is actually in the old part of Seoul. One of my favorite stores ever is here in this area called Tambourins, and it's this really quirky fragrance store. And the thing that I came for was actually sold out, but they have a bunch of exhibition stuff as well. When I say they're quirky, they're quirky. This is a candle cat, and this is a candle too, a candle couch. If you have time to stop off at Tambourins, definitely visit, and they have some pretty cool stuff. Afterwards, I went and followed the crowd into this little park, and oh my god, I'm so happy that I did. I love cherry blossom season and I was not disappointed. Then I suddenly started craving donuts, so I got myself some donuts. And then finally, after getting some steps in, I went home.
Okay, I just got home and I'm so sorry to that lady. Thank you so much for cleaning my place. This is crazy. Like, every time I don't clean before the cleaner comes, I feel bad. She took out all of that shit that I had by the door. And yeah, she also folded my laundry. No? Okay. Today I'm meeting another online friend. We started following each other on Instagram like a year ago because we have a lot of friends in common. And this is us meeting in real life for the first time. And comparing our heights was very funny. But she picked out this cafe and we just talked for hours and hours. And I'm glad we could finally meet in person also. And then I did something very stupid and brave and took the subway during rush hour. So I wanted to finish off today's vlog with like a little haul. H-A-U-L. Sounds weird with my accent, right? Anyway, so I mentioned before that I was going to show you about my hair, like all the products I've been using. This is the best shampoo and conditioner I've ever used in my life. It's a Japanese brand and they are the #1 shampoo brand in Japan, and I can see why. I would buy this just for the smell alone. It's so freaking good and the smell stays in your hair for days. I also love the Fino hair mask. Makes your hair really silky and smooth. And then I picked this up. I've seen this all over TikTok and I got like the tiny version to try it out. This is the Jisoo, I don't know how to pronounce it, Jisoo hair oil, and I just put it on my ends at night so that in the morning I wake up and it's all like soaked in. So that really helps with like length retention, because I realized like when I move around at night, my ends aren't protected and it breaks off. So all of these, I want to put a spotlight on for this vlog. And then I also wanted to show you what I got from the Basil event, because they gave me a whole tote bag of stuff. And basically, you could choose from some of their skincare that they had. So I always wanted to try this brand, Thank You Pharma Rice Toner. It's out of its box because I already used it. And then I also got to try a facial essence. So far so good. I've also never used this brand before, so that is a nice introduction to Jumiso. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And I love Torridon, so I wanted to try their sunscreen because I seem to collect sunscreens. Like if you want me to do like a sunscreen video, like I can literally do a dedicated 15-minute sunscreen video because I have so many thoughts. So Basil is a company that connects influencers with brands. Also have like their own stick-on nail kit company. So I got a little bag. And the company's called Gijibe. So basically, you get some of these. You can see, so this is for your feet. And this is for your nails. It's pretty cool. And basically it's like almost just like a sheet of plastic or paper, and you stick it on, and it's like getting like I have real gel nails right now, but I'm excited to try these out for when I'm giving my nails a break. And it comes with a hair bundle and ooh, an LED lamp. So it does use LED like they do at the salon. And then also
interesting. A remover comes with as well. So thank you so much for Basil. Thank you for watching. I hope I could kind of convey like the differences of, you know, what you can do to make friends, but it's also okay to be alone and hang out by yourself. Both is fine, either is fine. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.